on the chart, there is a diagram, and the diagram shows sugar process, how to make sugar with sugar cane. So I want to show here this show 7 process of sugar cane to sugar. So the first process is sugar cane. When the sugar is planted, the sugar will be 12 to 18 months. After 12 and 18 months growing, then the sugar will be cut. And after that, the sugar harvesting. The harvesting we can see there is a 2 process to harvest. Like it's a manual and it's a machine process. So sugar process can be harvest in 2 process, and then crushing for sugar for juice. I mean sugar cans after cut sugar cans, then put this crushing for juice, making juice. After this juice not purified, then we should purify the juice. After that we purify juice with limestone filter. So after purifying this juice will be they heat juice heated and heat with elevator machine for juice become sugar. Okay, so after making sugar, then sugar put the machine for centrifuge machine for separate sugar crushing from syrup. So after that, this syrup dry. This syrup will dry for flowing for sugar. And for making sugar, this sugar will be dry. So I think everyone understand. There is a 7 process. You already learned. You understand. So how can make sugar? So thank you for your
ওনার জন্য কোনো কোশ্চেন বা সাজেশন যাই থাকে হাত তুলে বলতে পারেন। হ্যাঁ বলেন, আগে জরুর ভাই, তারপরে আমি তামিম ভাই।
evaporator.
ওকে, হাত তামিম ভাই।
When he gave his presentation, that time his movement is not right.
Correct.
So we can see his backside. This is not total presentation. That's why
Only
Of course, but I hand this.
no problem. Our brothers already have presentation, but they don't move this side.
ওনার যেটা কথা আসলে আর কোনো কিছু
No, I think you should